Good morning. Good morning. Coach Micheal Burt. Hope you guys are doing great. It's Monday morning. You can hear my little unit, Emmy, over there. Natalie and Ella Grace went to Taylor Swift last night, and they still had the concert. Good for them. That's what the pros do. Eli went to Grammys, and Dad was at home with the little unit, Freddie Blanton, the most miniature unit, who decided to wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning last night. So, good morning to you. My name's Coach Micheal Burt. I believe everybody needs a coach in life. I believe a good coach can change your life. It's Monday morning. We're trying to get up in the groove. I've got my vitamins going right here, Amanda Beaner. And I was thinking this morning, because I'm doing Activate on Wednesday. Amanda, if you're in town and you want to come to that day on Wednesday. If you're in town, Tommy Davidson, if you're in town on Wednesday, I'm doing Activate from 10 to 4. If you got somebody, I think Tommy's down in Florida. But if you want to come and be in a room with me, just message me. Because one of the things I'm going to tackle that I typically don't tackle in around the book Flip the Switch is just tools the pros use every day. See, the professional, me, wakes up just like you do. Tired, frustrated, kids, Monday. See, the pro doesn't wake up any different than you do. Maybe life's knocked the shot out of them. Maybe they hadn't hit their sales numbers, Freddie Blanton. Maybe they hadn't sold them Bobcats. Maybe they had an issue or a problem. Maybe their kid woke up at 3 in the morning and stayed up till 3:30. See, the pros, Clayton Willis, got the same challenges you do. But the pros use certain things to activate and reactivate their drive. Okay, now I'm going to tell you just a few of them. These are all in my book, Flip the Switch, by the way. Activate Wednesday. Number one, they got big because goals. Okay, they got big because goals. Let's go over and get the little one. All right, and the big because goals, I'm coming, sweetheart. The big because goals are big reasons you do things when you don't feel like it. Can you see Daddy doing this video? Let's turn down baby bum. Okay. Big because goals are big reasons people do things when they don't feel like it. Okay. Thomas C. Davidson, my vacation regimen is real simple. I don't vacate until I do my activities. So it doesn't matter where I am in the world, right, Amy? It doesn't matter where I am in the world, Thomas C. Davidson. I still hit my high value activities. I still hit my goals. Hey. I still do 35 to 45 high value activities every single day. No matter if I'm on vacation, no matter what I do. I don't vacate until I deserve. Patino talked about, I'm going to come back and talk about that in just a second. Patino talked about deserving victory. Mark Flores, good to see you, brother. You can come on Wednesday to the lodge if you're in town. Patino talked about deserving victory. So I don't go work. What's wrong, sweetie? Is that what Daddy? I don't go vacate until I do my high value activities. Once I do my high value activities, then I vacate, which is why you typically don't see me vacate until Thursday to Saturday. But I do believe in retreating to attack. Ain't that right, sweetie? So the pro tools that the pros use is number one. Look at me looking at me. Number one, they got big because goals. Typically intrinsic motivation. There's something they want to prove. They've developed a concept of themselves, like Taylor Swift having that concert last night. If you watch the documentary on that girl, she's got big because goals, big reason to be the best, has the desire to be the best. Okay, and that's a big part of this equation. So one of the things that we do is got big because goals. We got a morning routine. We feed the body, we feed the mind, we feed the heart, we feed the spirit. So in a few minutes, the nanny's going to be here. Natalie's still in Nashville. I'm going to get out and work out. Get out and get my routine in. I've already listened to my sermon, something on faith. Okay. Then I'm going to feed my body. Then I'm going to listen to something on business. Feed my mind. Right? We're going to feed all parts of our nature. That's what we're going to do. See, the pros use these certain tips. Then I'm going to activate my pray drive. I'm going to meet with my team. And really, me meeting with my team holds me accountable. Forces me to prepare on Sunday. Forces me to be ready on Monday. Forces me to collect my thoughts. Forces me to have a structure. We need that level of accountability. So then I'm going to go to work. 35 to 45 high value activities today. Right, sweetie Petey? High value activities are money generating activities. The business needs money. Okay? So the business needs money to operate, to grow and expand. So I would ask you, are you hitting your sales targets for the money or for the purpose? And I'm hitting mine for the purpose. Building a greatness factory, got big ideas on success schools. See, what I'm teaching you guys are the habits of the top performers in the world. I was up last night with this one, and I didn't mind it one bit. Look how precious she is. Right? You're the most precious thing in the world. Got 4 teeth coming in. So with this one more, it's like I woke up, I got up a little later, 7 o'clock. And then it's like, okay, let's go do this, man. It's Monday. It's May. We got a big week. I got Activate on Wednesday. You can be in the room with me. Just message me if you want to be in the room. I got maybe 5 spots left to be in the room with me this week. Okay, then I've got over 1,000 people registered online. Then I got Andy Elliott. I got a confident mind this morning. Here's the biggest thing I want to tell you guys. Let me get up here. Oh, come on. There we go. The biggest thing I want to tell you this morning is, man, I ain't got time to whine. I ain't got time to complain. I ain't got time to make excuses. More importantly, I ain't got time not to show up. Just like last night. I don't know how much we paid for those tickets, but it was a lot. So, Taylor Swift ain't got time not to show up. Don't matter how she feels, whether it's raining, not raining. I want to get you to the point where you have developed a concept of yourself. See, what I'm trying to do with my kids is get them to develop a concept of themselves that can't be broken by the world or other people. The greats develop a concept early in their life. We dress up, we show up, we grow up, we deliver. We don't whine, we don't complain, we don't make excuses. So, this is what I do every day. People ask me, what's your routine? Body, mind, heart, and spirit, pray, drive, activation, 35 to 45 high-value activities. And I think this one is hungry. So, you guys have a great day. If you want to be in the room with me on Wednesday at Activate, I got 5 spots left. Message me now. Don't wait. I'll see if I can get you in. Love you guys. Before I get started, there is one very important question I have to ask you.
Coach Micheal Burt, Monster Producer Academy CEO. He's a personal friend of mine.
What good is it to have knowledge with no desire? What good is it to have desire with no skill? What good is it to have knowledge and skill with no confidence? A big part of activating your prey drive is finding and refining your talent. This is something that helps you get to the next place. People are made up of 4 parts: a body, a mind, a heart, and a spirit. You need to know you, and then you need to have an awareness, and sometimes you don't even know what you need. So all 4 parts of our nature have to be clicking. Your hard skill solves my problem. The bigger the problem, the more money people will pay to solve it. Everything is valuable to your future. What I'm really paying you for is your past. A monster producer combines multiple skills to dominate a market. When you get to wake up every day and do what you love doing, man, it is hard not to be motivated. They think at a higher ordinance than everybody else. They want to create new things. I have a conviction about me, and that's the conviction that you feel when I talk, when I speak. It comes across as passion. You got to learn how to connect to another person at such a deep level that it moves them. You have goals, you have targets, but you don't have a sense of urgency. They're going to exchange money, energy. They're going to raise capital. They're going to start new businesses. There's going to be joint ventures. I think your purpose finds you. It is activated. The word activate means to initiate. Discipline, which is a derivative of the word disciple, which means to give yourself to a person or cause you believe in. Do you believe in your future, yes or no? When we know better, we do better. Finding the problem that you are uniquely qualified to solve, and you don't know what problem you really solve for whom, then there is no big financial exchange right there. You should leave here thinking bigger today than when you came. And I want to shake your hand and look you in the eyeball when you make this decision. Thank you. We'll see you in the back. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.